Hello student, I am back with the second part of my video lecture on the topic that is called landform. Now before I start my lecture, I have one request that if you like my presentation and lecture, please do subscribe my channel. In my previous video lecture, I had already taught you about mountain. In this particular lecture, I am going to mainly teach you about plateaus and plain, and a small leftover part that I had forgotten to explain in my previous video lecture, that is called impact of mountain. What are the impact mountain having on our life? First of all, mountain act as a climatic barrier. It prevents us or it protects us from cold air. Just like Himalayan mountain is protecting us from cold air mass that is coming from the northern part, from the Tibetan region, from the Siberian region. Mountain is also responsible for orographic rainfall. Mountains stand in the way of moisture bearing wind. As a consequence, when this wind come and strike the mountain range, it rise upward. The moisture within it condensed from cloud, and from cloud we have rainfall. Mountains are the places of tourism because they have a lot of biodiversity or varieties of life. So these are the impact mountain having on us, on human civilization. Now, what is plateau? What is plateau? Now, unlike mountain, which have a sharp pointed peak, plateau have a very broad surface. The elevated part of the plateau are extensive in size. You can follow over here that they are elevated uplands and they are extensive in size. That is, this elevated part of the plateau, which is quite higher in comparison to the surrounding plain land, is extensive in size, and the edge of the plateau, the side of the plateau are very steep like wall. For that, often we compare a plateau with the table, so we call it tableland. Just like a table, it has a very broad and extensive upper part, and the edges of the plateau are very steep like wall. Now, how do we classify plateau? We classify plateau into two broad groups. On the basis of location, we classify plateau as intermountain plateau. You can see over here, intermountain plateau. What is intermountain plateau? The high plateau that are surrounded by fold mountain are called intermountain plateau. As you can see that on both sides, actually on all sides of the plateau, we have mountain ranges. We have mountain ranges. So intermountain plateau is that plateau which is surrounded by mountain from all sides. The next one is called volcanic plateau. Next one is called volcanic plateau. You can see over here that layers of lava solidified from this plateau. For that we call it a volcanic plateau, or we call it a lava plateau. These plateaus are formed due to deposition of lava in successive layers or sheets. So these are the examples of two types of plateau. One is called intermountain, another one is called volcanic plateau. Now, On the northern part of our country, we have a intermountain plateau that is called Tibetan Plateau. This particular plateau is surrounded by mountain range from all sides. For that reason, it is called an intermountain plateau. And in USA, we have Plateau of Columbia, which is an example of volcanic plateau. It is located in the northwestern part of USA. It is formed due to upwelling of lava with a crack on the earth crust. Now the last landform is known as plain. It is called plain. Now what is plain? A plain is a comparatively level surface of land at a low elevation from the sea, and it is less than 150 meters above sea level. Now if we compare plain with other two landforms, that is plateau and mountain, we will see that the height of the plain is quite less in comparison to those landforms. And as plain is a level surface, therefore it is easy for us to construct a road on the plain. For that reason, different kind of civilization since the ancient time has developed in the plain. Now how do we classify plain? We classify plain into two broad groups. One is erosional plain, another one is depositional plain. When a plain is formed due to the erosional work of sea, glaciers, etc., it is called erosional plain. They are extensive lowland of the earth bordering all the continents. On the other hand, when the plains are formed due to deposition of sediments by different agents of erosion like rivers, glaciers, wind, it is called depositional plains. So these are the two broad groups in which we classify the plains. Now, how do we classify the depositional plain? This is the subdivision of depositional plain. First one is called lacustrine plain. Lacustrine plains are formed due to filling of lake beds. That is, the bottom of the lake, when they get filled up by silt that is brought down by the river over a period of time, we have lacustrine plain. As you can see in this diagram, that in the Great Lake region of North America, that is the adjoining area of this particular lake is known as lacustrine plain, because these plains are formed due to filling up of the bed of this particular lake. Now, alluvial plain. Alluvial plains are formed due to deposition of silt brought down by the river from the mountain. One very great example of alluvial plain is the Indo-Gangetic Plain. The part of India, the Indo-Gangetic Plain. This great plain is formed due to the deposition of sediment brought down by the three major river systems, that is Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. So with this, I end my video lecture over here. Hopefully you have liked the total video lecture, that is in two parts, part 1 and part 2. And if you have any problem in understanding the lecture, please do message me in my WhatsApp number, that is 6290811161, or you can do one thing, you can put your valuable comment or query in the comment box of my YouTube channel. Thank you.